Imagination plus faith are the reality out of which man fashions his world. What do I mean by imagination? I mean God. Man is all imagination, and God is man, and exists in us, and we in him. The eternal body of man is the imagination, and that is God himself. The divine body, Jesus. We are his members. It's entirely up to us what we imagine. But it's imagination plus faith. For we are told without faith it is impossible to please him. Now, I can tell you tonight that your own wonderful human imagination is God. I can't convince you that it is. I ask you to try it. I ask you to test it. But I can't persuade you to the point of conviction. You have to become self-persuaded through experience. So here, any bold assertion on my part will really not convince you, but I am hopeful. Thus, imagination is the sole cause of the phenomena of life. If perchance you hear the word God, the word Lord, the word Jesus Christ, and it conveys the sense of some existent something outside of your own wonderful human imagination, you have a false Lord, a false God, and a false Jesus Christ. If you really know who you really are, that your own wonderful human imagination is God, you cannot fail in achieving your objective. All things are possible to him who believes. With God, all things are possible.